How to review activity you're tagged in on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review activity you're tagged in on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find this three lines in the top corner, click on it and then just go down until you find settings, and now click go down. Here you will find activity log and then just click good. Here you'll find that activity you're tagged in, click on it, and as you see here you can review posts and comments you're tagged in. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.